Okay, hey guys. Well, I haven't made a video in a while, so I thought to myself, I'm gonna make a quick video for you to let you know what I'm currently doing. In this video, I'm gonna also show how I'm gonna process this log into lumber from start to finish. And this is the last of the 5 meter logs that I have, and the rest of them are here that I have already cut up, mostly into 2x8s and also some 2x6s here. And these are for a future project that I'm gonna make a video about also this year, hopefully, if everything goes according to plan. So enough dilly-dally, I'm gonna now show how I'm gonna process this log, and yeah, enjoy the video, I guess. Okay, so that took about 20 minutes, or a bit less, I think, and ended up pretty good. I started feeling that the blade is a bit dull because pushing it through is becoming a bit harder every time. But I'm not surprised. I've already got like over 10 logs with this single blade, so I already mentioned it last year. But definitely pressure wash the logs. It helps a lot to maintain the blade sharpness. So yeah. Also, the bed that I built last year, I'm very happy with it. It is still very good and very stable and very strong. So this bed turned out very good. One thing that I'm currently not liking about my bandsaw mill is the engine belt tensioning system. Basically, if I wanna start cutting, I need to tension this belt and also lock it in with this thing. It's coming a bit annoying, so I did get this. Actually, I had this before. This is a 2-belt centrifugal clutch for this motor or engine. All I basically need is a 2-belt pulley here, and I'm good to go, I think. So I'm gonna try that out eventually, and yeah, hopefully that will be good. But I don't want to make this video very long, so thanks for watching, and goodbye.